types of problems you will see on our test for Friday. Some of it has to do with things that we've learned this year. Some of it has things to do with what you've learned in the past. So looking at Monday's exit ticket, since we didn't get to it yesterday, it says solve each problem. Solve each problem. Okay? In second grade, we like for you to show your work. So for this problem right here, how would I solve 20 minus 4? How could I show a picture of that? Daisy. I would subtract because it has a subtraction sign. So I could draw 20 tally marks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then if I'm subtracting, I'm going to do what? Take away. How many am I going to take away?
4.
So that gives me how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer to this problem is what?
16.
Okay. Well, now I have this problem. Just like with today's problem of the day, if I have the total, I don't need to find the total. If I have the total, which I do, 8 plus blank gives us 14. How am I going to do, what am I going to do to solve this problem? Princeton. Am I going to add or subtract?
Add.
Why would I add? I already have my total. If I added 14 and 8, that would give me a way too big of a number. If I already have the total, what do you do? Nathan.
Subtract.
You always subtract. If you have the number that's on this side of the equal sign, you always subtract. So, I could do 14 tally marks. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then how many am I going to take away?
8.
So then how many do I have left?
6.
6. And then you could count and double check. 8 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is that correct? Is that correct?
Yes.
And then the last problem. We have our bubble addition or subtraction. How am I going to solve this problem? Daisy. Adding. 5 plus 7 gives us what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 5, there's 10, 11, 12. Or I could count on my fingers. 7 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Gives me 12. Or 12. Or if I wanted to double check my work, I could draw 12 tally marks, and if I take away 5, I should have how many left? 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I had double corrected my work. All you're doing is just trying to solve problems in different ways. But remember, if you have the total, you will not add. It will always be subtraction. Say that with me. If you have the total, you will do what?
Subtract it.
If you have the total, you will do what?
Subtract.
Thank you. The next problem. You need to pay attention to the wording. It says, which does not match the picture below. What does not mean? No. It's not going to match. It's wrong. So you're basically looking for the wrong answer. Wrong answer. When it says not, you're looking for the wrong answer. Okay, well, we've talked about this, and I told you that it was going to come in handy. I noticed something with my ones. What is it?
That's 13.
There's 13. So what does that mean? I could make another 10. Good job, Omar. So I would circle how many 10s? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those ones could be moved over here and give me another 10. Right? And then I would mark those out, and so then we would only have 3 10s left, 3 ones. Okay? We're looking for the right answer or the wrong answer?
The wrong answer.
Why?
Because it's not.
Because it says not. So looking at answer choice A, it says the expanded form is 400 plus 40 plus 3. Is that the right answer or the wrong answer? Right answer. It matches my picture, right? So go ahead and mark that out. Because we're looking for what answer?
The wrong
answer. Then in word form, it says 443. Well, I have 443. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that the right answer or wrong answer?
Right answer.
And we don't want that, do we?
No.
We want the
Wrong answer.
why?
Because
Because it says not. Okay, now I have 400, 3 10s, and 13 1s. This is where it's going to start getting tricky. Is that right or wrong? Right. Why is it still right? Because if I didn't, because in the beginning, didn't I have 13 1s and 3 10s?
Yes.
So wouldn't I still have that if I took my 1 back, my 10 back the other way? Yes. So is that the right answer or wrong answer? Right answer. Is that what we want?
No.
And then I have 533 in standard form. I have 443.
Wrong answer.
Wrong answer. Is that what we want?
Yes.
Why do we want the wrong answer?
Because it says not.
Not means you're looking for false. Wrong. Not the right one, the wrong one. When you see a word not or false, circle it. And it means you're looking for the
Wrong answer.
If I circle not, what type of answer am I looking for?
The wrong answer.
So is there any reason of why y'all get this problem wrong on the test? Okay. Remember, this is going to be uploaded, so you will be able to go back and watch me solve that problem. That needs to go back in your whip folder.